G'day guys, welcome back. I'm going to go again. Excuse my messy workspace. I've just done that swipe with the paper towel and I still had a lot of colours left over, so I just mixed up some more black as my base coat. I can see a few bubbles in it. Just going to torch that gently. Turn that off. So yeah, I've got all these colours left over from my previous pour, and I thought I might as well use those. I'll do that order. Right, pouring medium is a 3-2-1, 3 Floetrol, 2 GAC 800 and 1 part water, and then I've mixed that 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part Mont Marte paint. So it's pretty thin. There's no mound. The paint just falls straight through, no mound. And I'm going to swipe with the paper towel, and I'm going to wet this serrated edge there. You know when you tear it, you get that sort of serrated edge, just to give it more of a textured kind of a feel. So that's what I'm going to do, and very little paint. I don't want too much. I've got way too much paint here. I don't know what I'm going to do with all this paint, but anyway, I might just layer rather than do too much in the way of squiggles. Oh, I don't really, I said I didn't really want the white, the yellow next to the Payne's Grey. I've got burnt sienna, Payne's Grey, Naples yellow, some white, and some turquoise blue. It's probably too much paint. Oh my gosh. Anyway, let's just get this done. I'm going to spray it off camera here with my water. Spray, spray, spray. So the last one had the grey background, and this one's got the black background, as you can see. So let's just drop that in there. Oops, I've picked up some black. Didn't really mean to do that. Off we go. Okay. See, I didn't zigzag this time when I put my swipe colour down, so you tend to get whatever colour's on top. Right, let's go again the opposite way. Go. Got a little bit of black shining through there, which is pretty. And again, so I'm not using my paper twice because I don't want to contaminate my fresh paint with old muddied paint that's on my paper towel. Do you know what I mean? It's just zigzag that. That's how I should. Well, I tend to always do it like that. I don't know why I didn't. I'm just trying something different, I guess. I think if you zigzag, you get more of a variety of colours coming through. I don't know where all my brown is. Might swipe again over the top and add a little bit more brown. Because you can swipe again, you don't have to just swipe once and be done with it. You can add more colour, depending on what you want, what you're after, and you can go again. And there we go, take it, oh my gosh. Clipped the edge, clipped the edge. But I do want more brown, so I'm going to go again, add a bit more brown. Because it's underneath. I don't know why I poured my swipe colours like that. I should have just done what I normally do. and that is to zigzag them. Alright, here we go. But I'll swipe the whole thing and then I'll add a bit more colour. And I'll swipe again. Whoops, I didn't go very straight, did I? What do we think of those colours? I really like these colours. And I had them stuck in my head, and now I'm going to do with the same colours, not this particular mix, but with these colours, I'm going to do a flip cup pour. Because I really like these colours together. Except I haven't got any grey in this mix. Oh, I've got to be careful. My tripod is right there. Right there. Okay, so I'm going to add just a little bit more paint. And I'm going to swipe again. I think the difference is I haven't got my grey this time, which I had last time. But it was the background, and I forgot to make up more grey. A little bit of paint. Okay. Put a little bit of yellow through here. That half's got enough yellow, and I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to swipe again. Spray, spray, spray. All right, and then see if I can get a little bit more of that brown coming through, because I do like that. Oh my gosh, okay, that's way too much brown. Turn the paper over, let's go again. That's better. It's very dark, isn't it? Maybe these swipes are just not my thing, hey? I do know that you need to put like a very small amount of paint in the center to get a good effect, and geez, it's been such a long time since I've even done these. I think I'm kind of forgetting how to do them. Let's just pop that on there and go the opposite way. I turned the paper over so that I wasn't using the same wet paint side. Okay. Spray again. Yeah, I'm very out of practice. Like, it's been ages since I've done these. I think if you don't do something often enough, you tend to forget. Well, I do. Because I've been doing more in the way of resin now. I haven't really been doing that many swipes. I'm just going to use this same one and go this way. It's the other side of the paper. Whoops, I didn't go very straight. I need one more piece for that other side. Oops, there's one. So a lot more of the, oh my gosh, it's just not my day today. I didn't see that happen. It's just not my day. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you just have bad days in the studio, don't you? You do. Take that up there, go around, and I'm going to have to come over this bit again because I dropped my paper towel in it. And this one here is quite dark, so I'm just going to turn that around and use this other side because it's got quite a bit of that turquoise on it. There we go. Right. Well, that's it's very interesting. Do I like it? Do I like it? Or do I want to swipe over the top with a little bit of yellow? I'm thinking I'd like to swipe over the top with a little bit of yellow. You know that? Just for fun. Let's try it. Let's try it. Just a little bit. Like so. Now I'm going to get my card. Oops. I've got two different sized cards. And, you know, I do like it like that, yes, but, you know, it could be a little bit boring. Let's just do a little bit of swiping with some yellow. Just really quick, like not all the way down, just really quick. Like that, just to kind of blend it a little bit. I wonder if we're going to get any cells because the yellow is not an opaque colour. So we may actually not get any cells. Now let's put a little bit of brown. Whoa, I'm not going straight at all. I'm probably stuffing it up, but I just wanted to have a play in that kind of mood today. Just want to try a few things, experiment, because the only time I get to do it is when I like not particularly happy with the canvas and I want to try something. It's tricky here because I've got that tripod right there and I can't go any further. Okay. Okay, dokies. Let's try a little bit of black over the top. Like so. And we'll use the bigger card. And see what happens. I'm getting a unusual type of a swiping look there. Go the other way. Should get some really pretty cells with the black because the black is an opaque color. Now I'm not trying to swipe smoothly, I'm trying to get like this kind of jagged look here, so don't go, oh, you missed some. I'm not trying to swipe smoothly. Trying to get like that sort of a jaggedy look. Alright, throw that in the bin. Now I'm going to give it a quick torch and see what happens. Like, this is just so unlike me. Just just doing, oh, to hell with it, just let's try something. Like, so not me. I'm a planner, I'm a list person, I don't do things like this, I just don't. Hit it with the torch to bring up some cells. Okay, so this looks, it's really looking like a reflection. I know it's quite dark and moody and not very neat at all, but like, why does it have to be exactly